11. Wow, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Friday, December the 1st, 2023. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, everybody.